Okay, so my son is in a gang. He's constantly hanging out with these two cats called Krabby and Boots, either both of them or one at a time. It's very sweet, but also very menacing. So please enjoy a compilation of clips of them being a gang. We call them the Bin Boys.
Wise decision, Krabby. You stay over there. And then Boots, just being a perfect little angel. Hugo's like, how do you do that?
Both very patiently waiting for Alex to serve Hugo's dinner.
Hugo, you've not ditched your best friend for Boots, have you?